Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who wants to know what happens after a DUI. Well, let's see here. I was arrested for a DUI. My question is, what happens next if my work depends on my license? What should I do to make the situation less hard? Well, the very first thing you could do is actually not at the end of your case, at the very beginning of your case. When you first get your DUI, don't wait until tomorrow, the following day, or whatever. No, call a criminal defense attorney immediately. The reason is because you only have 10 days from the date of the incident to schedule a hearing with the DMV to see whether or not the suspension or revocation of your driver's license is justified. So, your attorney needs to request a hearing with the DMV to see whether or not the DMV can actually pull your license. Now, if once you have this administrative hearing, the DMV will be charged with showing 3 issues in order to be able to suspend your license. First, they have to show that the police officer had the right to pull you over, let's say a probable cause. Second, they have to show that the police officer arrested you adequately and identified you adequately. And finally, number 3, they have to show that you were actually driving with a blood alcohol content of a 0.08 or more. If they can't show those 3 things, each one of those 3 things, they cannot suspend your license. Now, if the DMV, in fact, can show those 3 things, they can suspend your license for up to 6 months for your first offense. However, you can still obtain a restricted license to be able to drive from home to work and other necessities. First, you must obtain a certificate called the SR22. It's a type of insurance certificate. Number 2, you need to enroll in a 3, 6, or 9-month DUI school, depending on how high your blood alcohol content was. And finally, you take that proof to the DMV, you pay them $125, and bingo, you get a restricted license so that you can drive from home to work and work-related necessities. You need to do that at the beginning of your case. At the beginning of your case. You wait those 10 days, then it's too late, and there's not really all that much you can do to save your license. You have to take action immediately. Call a criminal defense attorney immediately if you've been arrested for a DUI and schedule an appointment. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, call us now for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who received some false allegations of sexual violence. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.